Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to discuss another experiment, that is your detection of the added color in red chili, turmeric and a black pepper. Okay, you can choose other spices also, but here we take a three sample, that is your red chili, turmeric and a black pepper. Okay, so first of all we have to know that what is this adulteration, because when we are performing some experiment and we ended that this coloring agent are act as an adulterant. So we have to know that what is the adulteration and what is the adulterant. Okay, so adulteration are simply defined as addition of a substance into a food product so that the quantity of that product increases, the flavor of that product increases and the color of that product increases, but the quality of that product are decreases due to the addition of that chemical compound into the food product. Even sometimes the nutritional value of the food product are also decreases. Okay, that's why the addition of the adulterant are prohibited, and the chemical compound or a chemical substance which are added during the adulteration are known as the adulterant. Okay, so here the adulterant that we are going to discuss or that we are going to detect is what? It is a color, added color. Okay, now why this added color are come under the category of the adulterant? See, every food product have a color, either natural base or either artificial. Okay, see, if it is natural base, then it's okay, we don't take much care for that type of the food product because that color are from the nature. But in case of the artificial color, it is decided by the FSSAI how much amount of that particular color are added into the that particular food product. Okay, even many of the many of that artificial color are prohibited, we can't use it, and the level of that artificial color which we are using, how much level we can use for how much amount of the food product are also decided by the FSSAI. If we are using beyond that limit, then it come under the illegal process. Okay, so that's why it is very important to detect that our food contain any edible color or not. Okay, now what is the purpose of the adding of that color into a food product? Only to enhance the color of the food product. Okay, that we already discussed that in case of the turmeric, maternal yellow are added. Why? Because of the enhancement the color of that turmeric, only the reason behind it. Okay, but these maternal yellow are what? They are chemical and they have a adverse health effect, we can't use it as a food product. Okay, even the maternal yellow you can see that are added into the pulses. Okay, so because of our mindset, these manufacturers are added the coloring agent into the food product only because of our mindset, because we get attract to the brighter color. Okay, suppose that when we go to the market and buy our apple, we can, which type of apple attract us? Obviously the brighter red color. Why we are going to buy the dull red color in which the spots are present? That's it. This is the reason behind the addition of the color into a food product. Now come to the experiment. For performing this experiment, we required this setup. We required micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml. Then we required a micropipette tape. We required a weighing balance for weighing the sample. We required aluminum foil. We required test tube obviously for performing the experiment, test tube stand. Then we required these three samples: red chili powder, black pepper and the turmeric. Then we required a spatula. Now performing this experiment we required two chemicals. One is your petroleum ether and another one is your 13 normal of sulfuric acid. Now for the preparation of the 30 normal of the sulfuric acid, we take 88 ml of this sulfuric acid and it will be dissolved into a 250 ml of the distilled water. How we calculate this value? For this, you can visit our YouTube channel in which the solution preparation videos are already uploaded. Each formula we are discussed in that video. You can go and check the video and understand how we prepare this 13 normal of the sulfuric acid. Okay, this is our 30 normal of the sulfuric acid. Now obviously this sulfuric acid are prepared by a concentrated sulfuric acid. We dilute the concentrated sulfuric acid. So when we are handling the concentrated acids, we have to take a extra care. Like we have to wear a mask, we have to wear a gloves and lab coat so that the even the drop of that concentrated acid should not fall us. Okay, if it is fall in our skin, then it burn our skin, it cause a irritation, damage to our skin. If it come in contact with our eyes, then it will damage our eyes, cause irritation. Even if we inhale the vapors of that concentrated acid, then it will affected our respiratory tract and sometimes also affected our digestive tract. So this is about the concentrated acid. Now for performing this experiment, we required a three test tube. In all these three test tube, we are going to add a this 1 gram of the sample. Then we add a one sorry 1 gram of the sample. Then we add a 3 ml of this petroleum ether for the extraction process. Then we add a 2 ml of this 30 normal of the sulfuric acid. After that, if in red chili red color are appeared, red color just above the that layer. Okay, and in turmeric we get yellow color and in black pepper we get slightly like brownish color. Okay, if these color are appear, then it indicate that our sample are added are adulterant with the added color. Okay, now first of all we have to take a sample with the help weight of the sample with the help of the weighing balance. First take a red chili powder. Now put this aluminum foil into the weighing balance and don't forget to tear the weight of the aluminum foil. Now it is 1 gram. Transfer this 1 gram sample into a test tube very carefully. Okay. Now put this test tube. Take second. Now take a black paper. Again we require 1 gram. Now it is 1 gram. Now transfer this into a second test tube. Transfer it very carefully. Okay, so this is your black pepper. Now take turmeric into a third test tube. Don't forget to tear the weight of the aluminum foil. After that, we have to take our turmeric. More than okay. Now transfer this turmeric into a third test tube. After taking the sample, we have to add a 3 ml of the petroleum ether for the extraction. Which thing we have to extract? If the coloring agent are there, then it's petroleum ether extracted. Open it very carefully. Now add 3 ml into each test tube. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now add in the last test tube. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now discard the tip. Okay. You can see that if the color are there, then it will extract by the petroleum ether. Now after that, we have to add a 1 ml of that 13 normal of the sulfuric acid into each test tube. 1, 2, 3. If the coloring agent are present, then it will turn red color. Now mix it. Now you can see that this test is negative. See, this turmeric solution turned red color, means that our turmeric contain some coloring agent. You can see that red color. As I add it, soon this red color are appear. That means that turmeric are adulterant. Now see the next. Here there is no development of the red color. See, which means that black pepper are not adulterant with the coloring agent. And same with the red chili powder, we don't get any red color, which means that this red chili powder is also not adulterant with the added color. So these red chili and the turmeric, we get what? We get a negative result, but with turmeric we get what? We get a positive result. Okay, turmeric is positive and black pepper and the this one red chili powder are negative. So this is all about the detection of the added color into a turmeric, red chili and a black pepper. So this is all about the today's experiment. I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this experiment, you are freely to ask me in a comment box, Or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. Thank you for watching. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.